Hello, and welcome to the Introduction to AWS Cybrary course. My name is Sean Balcom, and I will be your subject matter expert for your introduction to Amazon Web Services. I am an IT consultant. I have nearly 20 years of IT experience, and I currently hold 5 AWS certifications. My goal is to get you as excited about Amazon Web Services as I am. Have you ever been so eager to share great news with a close friend that you just couldn't wait to get in touch with them? Well, that's how I feel about the cloud, and AWS in particular. Now, I've been working in IT for nearly 20 years, and I must say that the cloud is the most exciting technology that I've seen since the internet. And the biggest cloud player of them all, AWS, opens up endless streams of creativity, collaboration, and opportunity. Countless companies got their start on AWS. Netflix, Airbnb, and Uber, just to name a few. Now, I'm going to assume that you know next to nothing about AWS, but together we will begin building the foundations that will assist you in launching your career as a future AWS solutions architect or developer. All that is required to be successful in this course is an eagerness to learn. If you're willing to put in the work, then I assure you that your efforts will be well worth every minute invested and then some. The journey that you are beginning can literally change your life. This course will be broken down into 8 modules. In Module 1, we begin to build our foundation. This is the part where I briefly introduce Amazon Web Services, how it started, where it's going, and why you should be excited about it. In the next module, we roll up our sleeves and dive right into AWS. Here, I will show you how to open your own free account with AWS so that you can begin using the tools right away. Next, we explore AWS's core services. This is very important to building our foundation in Amazon Web Services. Then, we move on to AWS security. This is where you will learn how AWS approaches security and compliance, what AWS is responsible for, and what AWS expects you to be responsible for. Next, we will take a deeper dive into AWS technologies that build upon the core services that we learned in previous modules. This is where you will begin to see how all of the pieces fit together. Then we go over AWS's pricing models and how to keep track of your costs while you're using AWS. In this course, we will be using the free tier primarily. However, you definitely need to know when you have left the free services and how much you could be potentially spending. In the following module, we put all the pieces that we have learned up to this point together and actually build out our very own virtual private cloud. We will even learn how to write short scripts to automate the rollout of our VPC resources. In the last module, we focus squarely on the options for the next steps in your cloud journey. Here, I will even lay out the path that I took to earn my AWS certifications. If I can do it, then you could definitely do it as well. I'm looking forward to a great course and sharing as much information as possible to make you successful in your AWS career. Let's get started.